everyone! Today we will see how to make oats chocolate chip cookies. To make these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. To this all-purpose flour, add half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Combine all these 3 ingredients well. Now in another bowl, take half a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure this butter is at room temperature. Beat this butter for about a minute. Stop the mixer in between and scrape the bottom and sides of your bowl and then continue to beat. Now we'll add some sugar. I'm adding 2/3 cups of brown sugar. I had dark brown sugar, so I've added that. If you have light brown sugar, then do add the light brown one. Along with this, add some powdered sugar as well. I have pulsed my white sugar in the mixie and then I've added it in. Now combine the butter and the 2 types of sugar well. Mix this together for about a minute or 2 till it's well combined. Make sure to stop your mixer and scrape the bottom and sides of your bowl. Then add 1 large egg. Along with the egg, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then continue to beat the mixture till it's all well combined. Make sure the egg is also at room temperature. Beat this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the maida mixture that we prepared earlier. Now with the help of a spatula, combine all these together to form a lump-free batter. Your batter should be smooth like this. Now let's add the oats. I'm adding rolled oats. If you don't have this rolled oats, you can use instant quick cooking oats also. Then add some chocolate chips. I'm using the large chocolate chips. If you don't have the big ones like this, you can use the small ones also. Now mix all of these ingredients together. Mix it till it's well combined and smooth like this. Now we need to refrigerate this mixture for anywhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour. Refrigerating this mixture will harden it slightly, and then when you bake the cookies won't spread too much in the oven and it will be a nice round shape. About 15 minutes before you start baking the cookies, preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now this is after 30 minutes of leaving it in the refrigerator. As you can see, the mixture has hardened slightly. I used an ice cream scoop. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture and shape it into a nice cookie. If you don't have this ice cream scoop, it's okay. You can use a tablespoon. Take equal quantities of the cookie dough, shape it slightly and then place it on the baking sheet. Spread the cookies evenly on the baking tray, and then to decorate, I just placed a few extra chocolate chips on top of the cookie dough. Now let's bake these cookies in the preheated oven for about 8 to 12 minutes. Each oven is different, so you can start checking your cookies by 10 to 11 minutes itself. While one batch of cookies are baking in the oven, refrigerate the remaining cookie dough so that it will be easier to bake the next batch. After 12 minutes, my cookies were done and I removed it from the oven. Now to find out if the cookies are fully baked, when you remove the baking tray from the oven after 12 minutes, check the sides of the cookies. The sides of the cookies will be firm and well baked. But when you touch the center of the cookie, it will still be a little soft. It won't be fully baked. At this point, remove it from the oven. If you wait for the cookie to bake fully in the oven, you might end up burning the cookies. As the cookies cool down, it will continue to bake in the remaining heat and the cookies will be fully baked. When one batch is done, you can bake the next batch. So this is it, a very easy and tasty oats chocolate chip cookies are done. These cookies are so delicious. It is crispy and firm on the outside, and in the inside is nice and chewy. And of course the chocolate chips adds to the overall taste of the cookies. Kids will love the addition of the chocolate chips. They won't even feel the oats in these cookies. It is so tasty. These cookies are perfect to have for an evening snacks. So do try out these easy and simple oats chocolate chip cookies. Until next time, bye bye.